guys, Cool53 Gaming here on another episode of Minecraft. Today we're gonna play some Mineplex. I don't know, what do you want to play? I guess we're gonna play some Super Striker.
Yeah.
Okay, we're in a party.
Everything.
Yeah, maybe.
It's like,
I'll see.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, hey YouTube, it's me, C.J. Nola.
Yeah, let's see
Connor's
there.
friend.
So let's get to it.
Oh, shoot.
Solo mode, and then we're gonna do Super 53. My username is 53. 53 is always been my favorite number.
Get on.
You're gonna come.
Man. Okay.
Yeah, you're coming. Okay, he's coming. Don't worry.
Can we team up here?
If you find me. Wait, let me see if he's on. Yeah, he's on. Okay. I'm gonna choose the skeleton. He might be the default kit, but he's still really good. Okay, we have 5 out of 4 players. It's kind of weird. But let's get to it, YouTube. So, 53 came up because 53 was my favorite number, just because I just liked it a little bit, and it was just pretty cool. And then I started to play football, and when I played football, I randomly got assigned that number. And that was really good.
How did this happen?
Wait, oh no.
Let's not die. Conrad, I've got a good idea here. Let's not die.
Dang it.
Have you died?
Yeah, I've died.
Or you died? Oh, I killed someone.
Where are you?
Over here. Not you. What the heck?
What kid are you?
I'm a golem. I'm an iron golem, but now
Was
I'm
I
dead.
killing you?
I don't know. I mean, I see you, fam. Yo, fam.
Stop it, fam.
You're not hitting me, actually.
Oh my gosh, I hate that spider. No. You just got rid of my kill. Ah! Yeah, you're dead. Take that. You're killing C.J. Nola.
Oh, why did you do that? Dude, now I'm dead. I thought we were gonna team up. Where are you? I see you. Oh, I see you, man. I'm like,
No!
oh.
So close, yet so far. Now, Christian's spectating.
I think I see you.
He sees me. He sees my awesomeness.
Yeah, I see you.
53 signal. He's another number.
See you. Look. I'm seeing you play. Oh no.
No! Did I get up? No! 1 life left. Come on, we need to show my epic PvP skills. My camping skills. Let's be a happy camper. No!
Actually,
Yes! Take that!
Oh,
Take that!
You wrecked them.
Dude, I wrecked him.
You didn't just. Yo, you wrecked them.
I don't want to be that guy who camps. So I'm gonna
You should be that guy who camps. That's me. I
How
mean,
come you're
I'm
not
a
camping
boss.
Happy camper.
Come on, don't die. Yeah, you didn't die. Fam.
Yes, fam.
Fam.
No, fam. No!
Fam.
No! Why?
What was that?
Let's see who wins this round.
What happened if I fall down here?
Yeah, he wins. Handsome Hunter. GG.
What the heck? I just fell into lava.
What? Wow, I'm pretty sure that was hacks. Wow, I've never seen that happen before. Have you seen that happen before?
What?
He just like climbed up. Look, he's doing it again.
He's a spider.
He just lost. Okay, 3rd place is okay.
Hey, I got in 4th.
But I know what to do better.
I'm proud. I got in 4th place. I'm proud.
Yeah, he got 4th. Well, there's only 5 people playing, so we're gonna play another round. Let's go, Skelly. My YouTube hasn't, and my QuickTime hasn't cracked in a long time. Let's go.
I'm gonna be the Spidey. I think I'm a spider. I think. I'm not a spider. Come on, monkeys.
Oh no, I hate this map.
I don't know this map. Hello, it's a merc. Whoa, what? Is that a cow?
Yes, dude, those things are OP.
Oh, holy crud.
Dude, I just killed him.
And I just died.
Whoops.
Nah, it's good, fam. You didn't kill me.
I didn't even know who you are.
I'm him. Do you see me now?
Yes, fam, I see you.
You see me, fam?
No!
Die! Die in a hole. You kill my friend, so I kill
I
you.
suck at this.
Where are you? Oh my god, I'm killing... Dude, I'm avenging you. If I don't die. Hey, I'm still here. I am a fighter. Okay.
Yeah, and look who's not a fighter, me.
No, I'm fighting for you, bro. How did that guy not die? I hit him like 10 times. No, not the cow.
The iron golem?
Yeah, I hit him like 5
The
times.
iron golem does a lot of lives.
Oh shoot, I almost
Dang
just
it,
like
that cow is freaking
off
OP.
this cliff. Come on, monkeys. No, you don't. Hey, don't kill me, fam. Please don't
Dude,
kill
I'm
me.
lagging.
Arrgh!
Oh no, I was flying.
Dardanel keeps on killing me.
Darn it. He killed me too.
Oh
I
my!
only have one life left. Oh, dude,
I just
we
died
both have one.
because
He died.
I
and-
tried to double jump, but for some reason it failed because this thing sucks.
What the?
Yeah, that's a seismic slam. That's the cheapness of that thing. Okay. Seismic slams are cheap as frick. Sorry.
Okay. Let's be a happy family.
Okay, it's you and 2 others.
Whatever, screw this life. I'm going for it. YOLO! That's
Who
a
needs
saying.
life?
Who needs life? When you got YouTube.
I know, right? What is life, Conrad? What is life? What are we gonna
Wow,
do
that was interesting.
now? Where are you?
Let's just wait till this finishes.
Look, I get like first.
I'm super sorry my computer crashed in the middle of the Smash Mobs.
Yeah.
It was fun anyways, and goodbye, YouTube.
Yeah. See you, YouTube. Later.
Please subscribe and comment and like for more content, and thanks.